Tara, let's break our fast dito sa Mactan Alfresco. Wow, may nakikita ako. Ito, yun! Low carber, here is your meal. Wow, yan! Nutrient dense. Grabe dito sa Cebu. Ayan, Ayers, lechon ulit, oh. Lechon belly. Ito na ang lechon, protein loading. Wow, and sinigang na pampano with Architect Celso Kailipan. Magpro-protein loading na kami. Pampalakas, fat adapted, unlimited supply of energy. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Ang sarap, ang lutong. So, ito ang aking sabaw. Hop. Perfect. Nutrient dense, fish, pork. Ito yung protein loading natin. Adapt and evolve. Be the best version of yourself. Bye.